Hello again, everyone. I've got another video for you today, but this one isn't a tutorial. Instead, we're going to go over some incredibly helpful tools and websites that I constantly use when working on my World of Warcraft emulation projects. First on the agenda is wow.tools and wago.tools. A quick heads up though, wow.tools is expected to close at any time, but wago.tools is set to be its continuation. Before diving into these two tools, I want to give a huge shout out to Marleman and the new team working on wago.tools. Your contributions to the WoW emulation community are greatly appreciated. Both wow.tools and wago.tools offer several useful features. The first is file lookup. You can go through any of these and find files for pretty much any expansion. The second is the Tables tab, which includes DBC and DB2 databases for most patches. The third will be our world map viewer. Click in here, you can click on any map, and it'll show you the mini maps for those maps. And the last one is the Builds tab. This provides detailed build information for different WoW clients. These websites have been a massive help to me, especially when transitioning from WaddleK and Cataclysm fun servers to working on Shadowlands and higher expansions. We'll also be using these websites a lot in future tutorials. This next section is dedicated to DBC files and NPQ files. If you're looking to edit DBC files, the only effective way to do this is on MOP expansion and lower. You'll need to create a custom patch for the WoW client and place the modified DBC files inside the patch. The two tools you'll need to do this are WDBX Editor and MPQ Editor. We'll cover these in a future video, and if that video has already been released, you'll see a pop-up right now in the middle of the screen. Before we go further with the video, I will show you very quickly how to set up these programs. The first one we'll cover is WDBX Editor. I'll include these links in the description. You'll want to click this latest release, click the zip file, open the zip file, make a new folder on your desktop. We'll call it WoW Emu. Make another one called WDBX. Drag and drop these files into the WDBX folder. Now you can start the exe, click File, click Open, then navigate to where your DBCs are located. The next tool is MPQ Editor. Go ahead and click whichever language you're going to use. For this example, obviously English. Open the zip file. Go back to the WoW Emu folder. Make a new folder called MPQ. Now, depending on what you're using, if you are on 32-bit Windows or 64-bit Windows, drag and drop the exe into the MPQ folder. Now you can open MPQ Editor, click Open MPQs, and select whichever MPQ you want to open. That's it for today's video. I hope you find these tools as helpful as I do. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more emulation content. If you have any questions or know of other great tools, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy emulating.